Open any Xactimate or Symbility estimate, and one of the first things you see is a sketch. Most contractors glance at it and move on. That's a mistake, because the sketch is the blueprint for the whole estimate. Every square foot, every linear foot on those line items was pulled straight out of that diagram. Learn to read it, and you'll know exactly what to document in the field before you ever leave the job. Here's the mental model. A room in a sketch is really 3 surfaces plus a boundary. The floor and the ceiling are the same footprint. Length times width gives you floor square footage, and the ceiling matches it. The walls are different. Wall area is perimeter times ceiling height. So if a room is 12 by 10 with an 8-foot ceiling, your floor is 120 square feet, your perimeter is 44 linear feet, and your wall area is 44 times 8, 352 square feet before you take anything out. Now the openings, doors and windows are cut out of that wall area. That's why you see a door swing and a window mark on the sketch. Every opening reduces wall square footage, and it adds linear footage of casing and trim. When you see a missing wall on a sketch, that's not an error. It's the software telling you 2 rooms flow together with no wall between them, like a kitchen open to a dining room. That changes your wall math and your baseboard runs. So here's the literacy move. Perimeter drives baseboard and wall base. Floor area drives flooring and underlayment. Wall and ceiling area drive drywall and paint. When you read the sketch, you're reading what field measurements built it. That's exactly what you capture in SketchEdge, the free Constructive field app. Photograph each room, note the length, width, and ceiling height, and mark every door, window, and open wall. Those are the measurements the sketch was built from. Document them once cleanly and hand the job to estimate experts. You read the estimate to know what to document. You don't touch the numbers. You just make sure the field record is complete.